Hi there. Today, I'm going to show you how to find dissertations and theses through the Divine Mercy University library website. First, navigate to the library website at DivineMercy.edu/library/. Next, come down to the library login on the navigation bar. You'll sign in with your library barcode and password. For help setting this up, please see our video, Logging into the Library, linked in the card above. Once you've signed in, you'll come up to Resources and go down to Library Databases. Next, you'll scroll down to Other Links and click the second option, ProQuest Dissertations and Theses Global. Once here, you'll type in your search term. That might be interesting, faith-based community development. You can use further filters at the bottom by document type or language. You can also choose to limit to full text or peer-reviewed articles. As you can see, we have 5,899 results. You can continue to filter them over on the left-hand side here by publication date, subject, document type, language, or publication title. To access the text, you will click the full text-PDF link to get a PDF, or the full text link to get the full text in an HTML format. To download or print your PDF, you'll either come up to the arrow facing down for a download or the printer symbol to print. Hope this was helpful. For any further questions, please contact the library. Thanks.